welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be using this palette. It's by Makeup Revolution. It is the Extra Spice palette. I say the palette itself is absolutely stunning. I mean, just look at these colours. Just look at them. Absolutely love them, especially LA Summer, which is what I'm wearing today. So yeah, if you would like to learn how I created this eye look using this gorgeous palette, then do keep watching. So I'm going to start with the colour Running Late, and this will be my transition shade for the crease. So I'll be taking this colour here. So I'm just gently going to be putting that right in the crease area. Just a really nice transition colour. Quite a nice colour, if I'm honest with you. Considering this palette was only £10, I would say this is pretty good so far. So far I'm quite happy with this orangey shade. So I'm going to be taking the colour Vitamin C. We're just going to buff that just on the top edge of my crease. Just sort of on the tops here. I'm going to be taking the colour Sweet and Sour and we're going to tuck this right into the crease. Really just want to tuck it right into the socket. So far, no complaints. Pretty happy with how well it's looking at the moment. So we're taking the Vitamin C and literally just adding a bit more just on that outer edge there. So far, not hating it. Quite liking this so far. Cool, so let's cut this crease. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the colour NC15. So I'm just going to cut the crease out. I always like to look up so I know exactly how high to take the crease. So we're going to set this eye with translucent, can't get my words out. So we're going to set it with translucent powder and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I think I'm going to be taking LA Sun. I don't know if I want to use both of these because to be honest with you, I don't know which shimmer to use, there's so many nice ones. I'm going to go with LA Sun. Literally just gonna start packing it on. but I'm going to add some lashes off camera and also add my eyeliner. Okay, so that's how I created this stunning sunset look using the Makeup Revolution Extra Spice palette. Absolutely adored using this and I cannot wait to use this again. So if you love this eye look that I created, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. It'll be nice to see you again. And until next time, I shall see you soon. Bye guys!